Let's break down preposition over. The preposition over can have several meanings depending on the context. It generally refers to position, direction, quantity, or even figurative ideas. So common uses of over. Position above or higher. Let's see the meaning. Something is above or higher in position than another object. Example, the picture is hanging over the sofa. This means the picture is above the sofa, possibly on the wall. Number two, movement or direction across or over a surface. So let's see the meaning. Movement across a surface or from one side to another. Example, she jumped over the fence. This means she moved from one side of the fence to the other side, crossing over it. 3. Quantity or amount, more than or exceeding. Used to indicate an amount greater than a specified number or quantity. So the example is the temperature went over 100 degree or 100 degree Fahrenheit today. This means the temperature exceeded 100 degree Fahrenheit. 4. Duration. In this, uh, it will define for a period of time. So the meaning is used to indicate the passage of time. Example, we discussed the project over several hours. This means the discussion took several hours with the time spent during that period. Let's see number 5. Figurative or emotional, indicating a change or transition. Meaning, sometimes used figuratively to express the idea of transitioning or changing. Let's see the example now. They got over their argument quickly. This means they moved past or resolved their argument. Number 6. Controlled or authority, in charge of something. Meaning to be in charge or have control over something. Very common expression. So let's see the example now. She has authority over the whole team. So she is in charge of something, or the team. This means she is in charge of the team. The last one is preference or choice. So favoring one thing over another. Used to express a preference for one thing over another. So the example is he chose pizza over pasta for dinner. This means he preferred pizza to pasta. The thing you have to focus on, I said preferred pizza to pasta. I will explain it later. If you want to listen more, follow for more. Thank you.